is a video tutorial about the usage of night vision features. Click the camera settings on the device's page. Choose light and night vision features and pick a mode according to your needs. First is automatic infrared night vision. The camera will switch to night mode with infrared lighting for clear black and white images in low light conditions. Second is intelligent lighting mode. Default is auto infrared night vision. White light will be activated, and then the camera will turn to full color images when motion is detected. When the battery level falls below 20%, the white light will be automatically disabled to save power. You can adjust the delay for the white light to automatically turn off after motion. Third is night full color mode. White light auto illuminates at night for colored images. White light will be turned off automatically while the battery level falls below 20%. The last one is full off mode. It is optimized for consistently bright conditions, maintaining color images. Now, you can enjoy this feature.
Peace of mind shouldn't be complicated. That's why the ASUS SolarCam P1 SE system is designed to make it simple. Set up the system in minutes and start using it right away. No expertise needed. The all-in-one solar-powered design means no wires and no fuss. Just green, reliable security. 2K Ultra HD lets you capture every detail, so everything is clear and easy to see. View up to 4 areas live and at the same time in the palm of your hand, without the hassle of checking them one by one. The SolarCam P1 SE doesn't take a break. Its lights and sirens work together to provide a unique and extra layer of security. The system's innovative tracking compiles all events into a single, easy-to-review video, so you can stay informed without being overwhelmed. You shouldn't have to pay extra for storage. That's why the ASUS base includes 32 gigabytes of built-in storage, which keeps your data safe at home. ASUS. Peace of mind has never been this simple.
Here is a video tutorial about the usage of the two-way audio. First, please click the camera settings button, choose advanced settings, enable the device microphone, and adjust the volume of the microphone. After that, you can go to the camera live feed page. Long press the microphone button to speak. If you don't want to hear the sound coming from the camera, you can disable the speaker on the camera live page. Now, you can enjoy this feature.